Amazon has been positioning the Echo Show 15 as a family hub or control center. This smart speaker with screen and Alexa digital assistants looks like a small TV, and it's designed to be wall-mounted or placed on a stand in a central area. I'm Erin from Tech Gadgets Canada and Tech Gadgets International, and now Amazon has announced the Show 15 has new capabilities that are aimed at earning it a bigger place in the core of your home. Echo Show 15 now has Amazon Fire TV built in, which adds not just video viewing on Amazon Prime, but a full slate of streaming channels including Netflix, YouTube, and more. In a nutshell, your Echo Show 15 now works as a full-service TV. Regardless of when you got your Echo Show 15, you'll now have Fire TV on it thanks to a firmware update that will make it backwards compatible with any Echo Show 15 device. The new Fire TV feature also means you can now use an Alexa voice remote with your Show 15. In this video, we're going to take a look at what the overall experience is like and if it adds value to the Show 15 as a smart home hub. So how do you add Fire TV to your Echo Show 15? Getting this update onto your Echo Show 15 is actually pretty easy. If you've just purchased a brand new device, it will either already be enabled or it will update itself when you turn it on and initialize your device for setup. If you already have an Echo Show 15, you can see if the update is available by going to Settings, then choosing Device Options, then checking for Software Updates. Once you've finished your setup or updated your settings, you can access Fire TV by saying, "Hey, open Fire TV." You can also push the Home button on an Alexa remote to go to the main menu. You can navigate among the different streaming channels or just see what's on. The first time you use a streaming app or channel, you will need to log into your streaming services account, and some services like Netflix do charge a monthly fee, but after that, you're home free. I was able to get my hands on an Echo Show 15 here for a few days, and I tried the Fire TV viewing experience. For many years, I had a small TV in my kitchen, and I found it to be really handy for loading up shows while I was making dinner or watching the news while I was starting my day. When old-timey TVs kind of fell out of favor, I got rid of it, but I always missed the experience. From my experience, I can say watching the Amazon Echo Show 15 as a TV is fun and convenient. The screen quality is good for most TV viewing, and I love the convenience of calling out to Alexa to load up shows while my hands are full, or just grabbing the remote to make a fast adjustment. The 15-inch screen is actually just the right size for a kitchen, since chances are you'll be watching it closer up. The screen resolution here is 1920 by 1080 pixels, and it is a touchscreen. Given the multi-purpose nature of this device, you're not going to get 4K level color resolution or brightness, but that's not the point either. On the downside of using this device as a TV, the screen can be pretty dark and one-dimensional in darker scenes, and the speaker isn't the greatest. Glare can also be an issue, but this isn't meant to be your primary TV anyway. It's designed to be an occasional use device. It's amazing how quickly I fell back into some old TV viewing. When it was time to be a little more social, it was a quick swap on the Show 15 to playing music instead. The Alexa voice remote is an add-on for the Show 15, but I do recommend it based on my testing experience. When you want to surf around for something to watch, it's a convenient way to launch and control content from Fire TV on your Echo Show 15. The Home button will take you right to the main Fire TV interface, or use the Live TV button to see what's unfolding now. There's also a quick launch button for popular channels on the remote. Overall, this is a huge update to the Echo Show 15 that makes it an even more valuable device. The interface is seamless and easy, whether you want to talk to your Show 15 or use a remote control. It's easy to use, search, and navigate. The screen resolution is good quality for up-close viewing, and it makes it easy to keep something on in the background. I also do highly recommend the convenience of adding on that Alexa voice remote for quick control as well. Don't forget to check out my full review of the Echo Show 15, or see if the Show 10 with its 360-degree swivel is more useful right now.